I'm gonna get it. Can I have it? Drop it. Drop. Can I throw it that way?
Yeah.
Hey, you want it? You want it?
Pools.
Go get it. He doesn't know how to bring it back though.
He wants to.
I'm gonna get it from you. He's tired already?
Here, bud. Come here. Sit.
There's someone behind me. There's a dog. I look ragged. Today is the last day before I go back to work after 1.5 years. So this is going to be a busy day. I need to do a lot. First, I'm washing my bed. I'm uploading videos so that I'm ahead of schedule or behind, whatever you know. I'm ahead of schedule for now. I had to remember to vlog, but now that I'm back at work, I don't know if I'll be able to vlog it as much, except for on the weekend. So, yikes. That's why I want to be doing YouTube full time. This is my passion. I want to do this, and I don't want to put YouTube on the back burner. I want to do this. I want all of my attention on this. But until I get there, I gotta go to a real job. I'm washing my bed. I need to go back to Walmart to bring back some pants that I bought and that I don't like. I gotta go to the bank. I need to catch up on shows. And there's a movie on Disney Plus that I want to watch. Something about friends on vacation. I don't know the name of it. A lot of life is happening right now behind the scenes, and it's crazy. It's really crazy. But that's what's going on. A lot of life. So, just wanted to let you guys know that if I'm not uploading as often, there's a lot going on. So that's why. So I'll try to bring you along today, but I also might not even think of it because there's a lot to do. Guys, I missed you. Wow, it has been a long time since I vlogged. It's been a long week, guys. First week back at work after being off for 1.5 years because of COVID. It's been a week. Good week. I can't complain. It's been good, but my gosh, I have to get up so early. Then I'm just so tired, but it's Friday now, so it's the weekend. And I think I'm going to work out. I'm going to do a Christina Ernest and then Starbucks after. I'm going to go to Starbucks. Not for pumpkin though. I don't like anything pumpkin, so I'm not the typical Starbucks drinker. But anyway, I'm gonna vlog because I missed you guys and I love doing this and it's my passion, so hi. Also, can we look at my lashes? Like, my lashes they've always been long, but this is like next level. I'll show you what it is. Econobum is the brand and it's an eyelash growth serum. I actually do put it in my eyebrows. I mean, this isn't them. I put powder in my eyebrows because I have no time to do makeup for work, but I put it on my eyebrows to see, like, maybe it's supposed to help your eyebrows grow too, so I do that. And I put it right along my lash line. I swear to you, this stuff worked. It didn't make them thicker, just longer. Like, my eyelashes were never like, they never stuck straight up. They're long, but they like kind of just went straight, but now they're, anyway, great explanation, isn't it? Anyway, I'm gonna work out and go to Starbucks and then shower because I need to wash my hair. And I also saw this hairstyle on TikTok that actually worked, so I might do it tonight. Because I think you have to do it when your hair is wet. No, because I did it last night and it worked, kind of. You act like you're gonna French braid your hair, but you twist it. So you use 2 strands, you twist it, you add more, you twist it backwards, add more hair all the way down, just like you would a French braid, and then you twist the ends. So it's like, you know, 2 French braids, but it's twist. You sleep in it, take it out, and it's like heatless beach waves. It was so pretty. If I remember, I'll show you. Alright, I'm getting ready to do my workout. I wasn't going to because my heart does like weird things. And it's doing a lot of strange palpitations. I do have to get it checked. I have a referral to get it checked, but for now, I'm just gonna do it. I went back and forth, but I'm like, you know what? I want to take Saturday and Sunday off. I'll do it now. Just 20 minutes. Really short, just weights. And then be done for the weekend. So, gonna do it.
Push. That can be both bilateral and unilateral work at the same time. Ooh. Add your elbow to the back of the room. We're working a little bit more into the bicep because our palms are facing out. Reverse grip. Double hinge. Bow and gaze 3 feet in front of you. Do it again. So good. Slight bend behind the knees, yes or yes.
Just got home. I went to Starbucks. I'm freezing. I would go on a walk with my dad and the dog, except I need to shower, so I want to shower, get nice and cozy, and get in bed, watch some TV, and I can sleep in tomorrow. I'm not gonna work out. Sorry, I'm being really gross right now. I'm eating goldfish. I'm not gonna work out tomorrow. I'm gonna have my bacon and a bagel or toast. It's gonna be a good day tomorrow. All showered, all clean. I feel great. I need to water my plants because I haven't been watered in a while because the friggin' dog ate our watering can. So I have to use a water thingy. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how I do my hair when I do it. I'm just letting it get to be not so wet. Then I'll show you. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. It's all like twisted. It's pretty cute actually. It's a cute hairstyle if I knew how to twist it properly. It would look really cute as a hairstyle, but it'll dry like this. It's already pretty much dry, but it's kind of damp too in some parts. And then I'll wake up with beach waves. I probably won't show you because I won't remember, but if I do, I'll vlog it and show you. I'm so friggin' tired. It's 10 o'clock. So I gotta get to bed. Good night guys, see you in a second. You guys, I'm tired. I wanted to rest this weekend and I didn't, and well, I mean, it's only Saturday, but still, I'm exhausted. I was on the go all day and I made cookies and I'm tired. I even wanted to make a stir fry to be healthy tomorrow, but I didn't get any of the ingredients and I don't want to go out tomorrow because I want to stay in bed and relax. And I don't want to have to cut everything up and prep it all. Like, it's a lot of work. Maybe next weekend. Because I'm too tired by the time I get home from work. Maybe next weekend. I definitely need something healthy though. I need nutrition in my body. Also, my hair looks pretty, it's very naughty because I haven't brushed it since last night. It looks good. I'm tired. It's 8:24. I'm going to bed soon because I need to catch up on sleep. I'm watching Jess and Gabriel right now. And I'll watch a few more videos maybe. I don't know. Anyway, so we went to the mall today and I didn't get anything that I needed. I wanted to get some Bath and Body Works soaps, but then I decided not to because they don't last long. They last like a week. The foaming hand soaps last like a week, so I was like, not wasting my money on that. Plus, I don't like the fall pumpkin-y whatever scents. I don't like fall scents. And then I need beige underwear to wear with my white jeans and they didn't have any, so then I went to Sephora to get Moroccan oil, like overnight Moroccan oil or something. I can't think straight, I'm exhausted. I didn't have that either, so I spent $20 on pants, that's it, but I needed them. And yeah, it was a day full of not spending money, which is what I love to do, not spend money. But then we did go to Walmart and I spent some because I needed some things. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Dude, you are in my way.
Then, there's mushrooms growing.
Hello? You're in my way.
Okay, so I'm just flying.
Don't leave, it's not time yet.
Not yet.
You are a psycho. Hey guys, good morning. So, oh, that's the car I saw. My sister and I worked out. I want to film a TikTok with her that I saw. I think I'm just gonna go and get dinner because I want to have a good, healthy, full dinner. So I might just go get food. Didn't want to. I wanted to stay in bed and relax all day, but I can't always do that. So I'm getting ready and then we're gonna go. So I decided to make a stir fry. Let's go see what it looks like. Alright guys, have a good night. I'll see you sometime soon. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Spread kindness. See you next time.